Hi everyone, thank you so much for visiting my channel and I welcome you back to my channel Fluent Odisha. This is me, Rudra Dharwa, speaking here. So this video is very essential guys to enhance our English because lots of things today we are going to discuss. Lots of things means we may discuss few things as well, but those are going to be very essential. So without skipping this video even 1 second, try to watch this video till the end guys, because I'm not going to make this video very long, as short as I can. I will definitely try to make it, and in a nutshell I will have a word with you guys today. Because if you're watching my videos on the daily basis, then you must have noticed that I have started uploading some vocab related videos as well. I usually upload guys random videos, means blogging, going outside and capturing the beauty of the nature, and upload on my channel speaking in English. But recently few videos I have uploaded based on English vocabulary, idiom, phrasal verbs, different type of phrases. Because now only I'm speaking here, but you all are wondering to enhance your English, enrich your English. So in this case, what you can do? So I thought whichever words I know in this English language and using, and it is helping me to make my English more fluent and professional. So I thought why not to share with you so that you can also start using in your English. So that is why two videos I have uploaded so far. So now let me come to the point in this video. Wow, what's the reason behind it to make this? Guys, since you are also crazy to learn this language, so actually whatever videos do you need, you just let me know guys, because according to you I'm gonna upload videos which will help you in your English journey. Because if I keep uploading videos in such ways, then yeah, I am improving my English. But when it comes to you, that time only you are listening to me and you are enhancing your listening power guys. But you know that to speak we need to improve our speaking skill, and to enhance our speaking skill, to develop this speaking skill, we need to speak. So due to that I have planned about it, but now it's your turn. If you let me know in the comment box whether you need those type of videos or this type of videos, after that I will consider guys. And definitely if you want this type of blogging videos, then I'll surely visit different type of places. Visit, I can use one phrase as well here, drop in. Okay, I will strive to drop in different type of serene places and greeny places and capture there and speak in English, and which will definitely um, attract you and give you a knowledge as well related to that particular place. So but it's up to you guys what type of videos you need, by the way. And the first and foremost thing, that actually guys, what are you doing to enhance your English? Are you only watching videos, such type of random videos to enhance your English, or you are doing something as well? Because by wandering in such ways, watching videos, listening to podcasts, you are never gonna enhance your English until and unless you put your efforts and take out your notebook and start writing something. Suppose you are totally beginner, you know nothing, only first of all you are trying to uh, listen to other English speakers so that you can be motivated by them. To some extent it is okay and it's fair, but when you are trying to speak this, that time you need to speak. And how you know that? If you are totally beginner, then in that case you cannot even make a proper sentence. And if you are not capable to make even one proper sentence in English, then how it is possible that you can speak in English? So guys, due to that, I always suggest you, since you are very serious, so try to take out some time and sit in a place, take out your pen and paper and to start making some sentences in the beginning. I'm not telling you that this way only help you to enhance your English language. Yeah, there are many ways as well. Okay, but it's up to you which ways you are looking for and which ways you want to apply in your English journey to strengthen it and to learn it. But yeah, which way I applied in my journey, and now I'm sitting in front of you and speaking here, that same way, that genuine and authentic way guys, I'm just sharing with you. And I feel like if this way helped me to reach to this level of English, then obviously it can help you too. So that is why, guys, this is a totally genuine way to enhance this language. So first of all, strengthen your base. Base means those basic things, guys. Simple sentences, tenses and models, whatever I always suggest you, strengthen those. And once you are capable to make sentences, of course, then you can move on to advanced thing, such as idioms or more phrases, and you can start having conversation with the different people as well. But remember, when you are not able to form sentences, that time you cannot have a word with anyone. That time you will be very nervous, and you will be hesitant, and of course your mind will go blank, guys. I will definitely bring a new video in the very next time on this. Our mind goes blank when we start speaking in English, because I have already thought it. But yeah, today also I plan to make a video on that topic. But today I wanted to know about your desire, guys. Due to that, this video is for you. But yeah, definitely in the next time I will share with you why our mind goes blank when we start speaking in English, and how we can overcome these circumstances as well. And definitely those genuine ways I'll bring, and if you will also apply in your English, then definitely that will help you a lot to overcome that situation, and your mind will also start working and start functioning rapidly in this English language. Means your mind will automatically start translating those sentences automatically in English, and you don't need to think for a long to translate even one sentence. Like now I'm speaking here, I'm not thinking anything, and my mind is not translating any certain word from Odia to English and from Hindi to English, guys. Not at all. Spontaneously my mind is making these sentences, and my mouth is speaking out. So your mind will become, after using that method which I applied in my English journey, and which I'm gonna share with you in the very next video. So this is all for today, guys. So to watch our next video, which is based on our mind goes blank while speaking in English, so you need to subscribe to this channel, because how you can get notification, by the way, of my channel's video. So for that, do subscribe, and which I told you that which type of videos you need. So to let me know, you need to leave comments as well, because this video needs only comments from you guys. The more comments I will receive from you, accordingly I will start making videos as well. So hope you enjoyed watching this video till here, and the way you are showering love on my channel nowadays, guys. Very soon we are going to be 10k family members, so I'm looking forward to seeing that moment. And yeah, there are lots of things which I'm gonna share with you, but not now. You know that nothing happens before and after time, everything happens on time. So we have to wait for that high time to see that thing. I'll definitely show you guys. So for today, thank you so much for watching till here, and bye bye, take care. Let's meet very soon in that interesting and essential video, guys. So thank you.